Emma sighed as she glanced at her cluttered desk, pens scattered, notebooks piled haphazardly, and jewelry tangled in a forgotten corner. She longed for an aesthetic yet functional space, but expensive organizers weren't an option. That's when inspiration struck. Why not make her own? Emma scrolls through Pinterest, eyes widening at stunning DIY organizers made from everyday items. A wave of excitement rushes over her. Determined, Emma gathers cardboard boxes, mason jars, and old wooden crates. She spreads them on the floor, imagining their transformation. She cuts, paints, and assembles with care. An old showbox turns into a chic drawer organizer. Mason jars become glittery pen holders. Slowly, order replaces chaos. Emma steps back, admiring her transformed space. Each piece reflects her creativity and adds charm to her room. Best of all, it cost almost nothing. With a smile, Emma realizes she didn't just declutter, she created a space that truly felt like home.